Lightning Link. There we go. Nice. There we go. Keep filling it. Oh, I saw that wrong. Oh, there it is. 50 bucks. Yeah. I like all the words. Ooh, that's good. Yeah. Alright, come on. Alright, last thing. Come on, we can do it. Still good hit though.
Those are your progressives. We are on a nickel denom, $1.25 bet. Let's go. Multipliers. Oh, that's clean. That was a good one. 20 bucks. Hell yeah. Do it again.
My first spin on this too.
Yeah? Good job, baby. Alright, let's go. Oh, come on. Chip, chip. Alright, 10.
So.
Come on, chip. No. Yes, perfect. Woo, that's a good one. Heck yes.
Take a retrigger too.
Come on, chip. Oh, hard.
There we go.
That's a good one. I'm gonna go with like another 50. Ready?
Yep.
Hey, I was close. Chip.
There we go. There we go.
Yes. Alright, I'm gonna go with another 45. I don't know what it was. Minor. Still.
I'll take it.
Hell yeah. Move back up.
There we go.
Oh. Still a good one.
The last one I got. So I'm going to show you guys a trick on how to win. Okay, first go like this. And then you go like that. I've been trying to teach her on how to do it, but she don't listen to me that much. Keep going. Try my trick again. good though.